pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Guys, I have not gotten an Ipsy Glam bag in like, I don't know, over a year. So I decided I was going to get one because I wanted to see, you know, why does everybody still buy them? What's in it? That I don't remember if there's anything that exciting. It's the $12 a month bag that used to, the last time I got it, it was like $10, I believe. So it's been a minute. Ooh, and I smell like that new stuff, new plastic. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, this bag's kind of like see-through. And then we've got this brush on the outside of the bag. Okay. The bag's cute. It smells like plastic. Jackson, you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Let's go through. Everything's in the bag. Let's pull out the card. Okay, the refreshments. I have my own opinion on that. I'm going to be doing a video on that soon. Oh, okay, so we've got the card that tells me what's in here. And the other side tells me just a little bit about the month's theme, which is Dream It. We all have our dreams. All right, then we've got, oh, there's another card. Oh, no, it's not. It's attached to a product. Okay, so this here looks like a foundation brush, and honestly, it's super cute. I can't read that. What does that say? Something Glam Foundation B12. Okay, look at that. Now, usually the thing with these, oh, and it's got the gems over here, is that they usually end up falling apart. This one actually feels pretty good, though. And it's actually a little more bendy, like flexible, I should say, than most foundation brushes. Let me see if I've got one here. Do I have one here? Yes, I've got this one here. This is a Luxie. This one has more control right here. This one doesn't. And this one is also thicker. So like, if you were going to use this, see how this would kind of like go all over the place? And then this one here kind of would spread the product around like it's supposed to. So that's just the difference. This is what I want to show you. This is a $12 bag, so you're getting cheaper stuff, okay? All right, let's see. It looks like we've got a mascara called Drama Bomb by UOMA Beauty. Okay. Let's pull it out. This is definitely, they're all samples usually in here. Once in a while you get like a full single eyeshadow or something. This looks neat. I'm not going to open it because I go through so much mascara and I don't want it to dry out. So then we've got Hydrate and Renew Replenishing Night Cream by Glow On. And then it has a number 5 Beauty. And it's completely sealed, which I absolutely love. Let's see if it's got a scent and what it feels like. This way you guys can know. Okay, it has even a safety seal. I absolutely love products that have safety seals. Smells kind of fresh. It looks like a cream. I mean, it is a moisturizer, but sometimes they're more, the consistency can be different. So here we are. It feels like a pretty thick moisturizer. Not bad. Not super thick, but also not super thin to where it soaks in immediately. So that might be good for nighttime. Okay, then we've got Camelina and Strobe Luminizing Primer. Okay, this is a brand I have not heard of. I do like the fact that on the back it says, okay, 5 minutes of filming and my camera says too hot. I don't know if it caught this. This is a new primer. And Camelina and Strobe Luminizing. A luminizer gives the illusion of kind of like it blurs your blemishes and stuff like that. So This one says it's a hydrant primer. I cannot use hydrating primers. I've got to have a matte one because I have a little bit larger pores in certain areas. So I'm actually not going to break the seal on this because I'm going to send it to someone that will definitely has dry skin but needs a primer. So that I'm going to put aside. Then it looks like we have one more item. How many items did we get? We got the brush. We got the mascara. We got the moisturizer. We got the primer. And then we've got this Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser. We've got this here. Let's open her up. I love new cleansers. Also, you guys said you wanted to see a video on what you should keep in a skincare fridge. I will totally do that if you guys want it. I have this wonderful skincare fridge that Starla, Star, Sun, and Moon gave to me. And I opened it like on camera and stuff. And I love this. And it stays so cold and it's so cute. I'll put a picture of it in here. But I will totally do a separate video on what I keep in there and why if you'd like that. Okay, so Kinship Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser. And let's see if she's got a seal. She does. Right. Look at that. I'm excited. Oh, okay. This seal doesn't want to come off. Okay. It really don't want to come off. All right. Well, we're not going to bust it open or anything. It'll be good to go. Okay. So that's the last item. The bag. Cute. I like putting like an... I'm sure I'm not the only one, but I like carrying these in my purse and putting like tampons and pads and all those little things in there with them. And I'll put like my eyelash glue and tweezers if I need to, just in case I happen to go out. By the way, these are the fake lashes that I get every month with Hank and Henry, the ones that I don't really like. I decided to, I use them in a video. Will I go out with them? It depends. All right, so yes, this is the bag. And I got my 5 items. What's the what? Here it is. Yay! Here they are. All right, guys. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate every single one of you. Guys, if you haven't checked out my spoiler videos or the looks that I have done with the palettes that came in our subscription boxes, you're definitely going to want to check those out. And I would love to hear your thoughts and your feedback on them. I will see you real soon in another video. Love you guys. Bye.